Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to take blurry pictures on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to take blurry pictures on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the iPhone camera. Then you want to swipe to portrait. Then once you selected portrait, go ahead and position the image in view or position yourself properly. Your iPhone will take the picture. Once it gets the image or the person in the picture and blur the background. So just go ahead and click on shutter button. Mark you, during this process, your iPhone will guide you on what to do. Like move further away, that shows you are too close to the object. If you are too far away, it's going to say move closer. And after that, just go ahead and click on shutter button. And this is going to help you to take blur image on your iPhone. See that? So that's basically how to take blurring pictures on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.